how to integrate Monday.com with Google Sheets. So basically, what you're gonna have to do is simply open your Monday.com project and then simply click on options in the top right corner, as you can see right here. Now the next step is to simply go to more actions, and as you can see here you have this option which is export board to Excel, and then you have this one here which is import tasks. Now if you want to export this project to Google Sheets, you can do that. So you can simply export board to Excel, and you can simply uh, upload this to your Google Sheets account easily. Now if you want, you can also click on import tasks, and as you can see here you can simply import your Google Sheets files. Simply drag them here, and then they're gonna be added to your project in Monday. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.